Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we are going to talk about how to remove followers on threads. This is a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. And now let's dive right in. So first we need to open our Threads application in our mobile device. Here in the lower corner you can actually see a panel. Click on your profile icon in the lower right hand corner of your panel. Now, you will basically be routed in your profile page, after which scroll up and there you can actually see your followers. Click on it, choose the follower that you would want to remove. Say for example, I would like to remove this certain follower of mine. Now, you just need to tap on the profile of that person, click on the ellipses button in the upper right hand corner, and then afterwards you can actually see the remove follower button right there showing up below. So all you need to do is to click on the remove follower button, and then basically he or she will be out of your threads following. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and hope you find this tutorial helpful. See you in the next video. Bye.